The JBL Endurance Peak. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at a pair of wireless sport earbuds, the JBL Endurance Peak. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a manual and quick start guide, a micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The Endurance Peak features 4 hours of listening time, 28 total hours with the case. It takes less than 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 4.2, 10mm drivers, touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case is fairly small compared to some of the previous sport earbuds that I have reviewed. It has a solid plastic build, and it comes in a variety of color options. You have the branding on the top. And on the front, you have the status LEDs. And on the right side, you have the micro USB charge port. The lid has a tight snap and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are secured inside by magnets and are easy to remove from the case. You will see the ear indicator markings etched in along with the controls for the right earbud, which is the master. The earbuds are in line with some of the previous earhook designs that I have reviewed when it comes to form factor. This has a plastic and rubber feel to it. Ear indicator markings are on the inside, and the earhook is flexible. It will turn on as soon as it's separated from the earbud. And you have a nice surface on the outer face for the touch controls. The right earbud is the master, and it has the touch controls, microphone, LED, interchangeable ear tips, and also the enhancer for additional support. And here they are side by side. The controls are laid out nicely in the quick start guide. It also has volume controls. The case comes in at 3.3 by 2 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at 92 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 24 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JBL Endurance Peak microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. If you want to use the earbuds independently, it will have to be the right side only, as that is the master. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the JBL Endurance Peak earbuds. I found the overall fitment to be good. It created a nice tight seal. The ear hooks were soft and had a good amount of flexibility. The enhancers on the base of the earbuds gave it that extra support, and it doesn't add too much pressure into your ear canals. Touch controls are a plus as it doesn't push it further when navigating. They felt secure and had good support all around. Build and quality is solid. I like the hard plastic case as it's not too big compared to the other earhook design cases. It feels solid along with the earbuds. The earbuds have a sleek design to it and the controls are responsive. I like the fact that it's IPX7 waterproof. I would have liked to seen a longer battery life as I think it falls short coming in at 4 hours and 28 total with the case. Also having controls on both earbuds rather than one. Along with better controls, it would have been great to have ambient sound feature so you can toggle and hear surrounding noises, especially when you are in the outdoors. And finally, wireless charging and USB-C would have been nice to see. Now when it comes to sound, these are in line with the JBL sound signature. Starting off with the bass, it is definitely prominent. You get that heavy punchy sound and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs come in a bit recessed as I feel that these fall more on the warm sound signature. They do come in clear but would have liked them to be just dialed up a notch. You may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I feel that these are a good pair for those that lead active lifestyles. I do feel that it missed out on a few features that I mentioned earlier, but the overall sounds really deliver. So that is my review of the JBL Endurance Peak earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.